Founded in 1982, KNS Services provides industry-leading welder repair services for companies throughout North America. We are factory authorized to repair robotic and manual welding controllers, wire feeders, power supplies, chillers, weld guns, weld tips, and reamers from brands like Hitachi, Miller, Lincoln, Fronius, and Nippon. To view our complete line card, visit kns.com. At KNS Services, each welder repair starts with a thorough cleaning and baking to remove all contamination. Then we'll replace any damaged components with new OEM or OEM equivalent parts. At that point, your welder will be tested under load to ensure it's operational before we go back in to perform preventative maintenance by replacing all high failure and age-sensitive components. The entire repair process can take between 15 and 20 days, but we do offer expedited repair services should you need it back quicker. You can track our progress at any time through our online customer web portal. Once we finish refurbishing your component, it will go back into final test, and a detailed test report will be completed prior to shipment. Each repair comes with our 12-month in-service warranty for your peace of mind. Get reliable welder repairs from KNS Services. Call or visit us online today to get started with a free evaluation.